In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a code toolkit in Notion in just 5 minutes. This guide will walk you through creating a personalized space where you can easily manage and access your code snippets using Notion's powerful organization and presentation tools. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, having a well-organized system can greatly enhance your productivity. Let's begin by logging into Notion. If you haven't already signed up, create an account. Once you're in, you'll see the Notion dashboard where you can manage all your projects, notes, and databases. Now, your task is to create a new page. This is going to be the foundation of your code toolkit. Head over to the left-hand side, click on the Add a Page option, and voila, you have a fresh new page to start with. Now, let's give it a meaningful title. Something like Code Toolkit, or perhaps Programming Snippets would suffice, making it instantly recognizable and easier to locate among your pages. This is where all your snippets will live. Next, let's set up a database to efficiently manage these code snippets. Notion offers various database views like tables and galleries, which are especially useful for organizing code because they let you see your entries in a structured layout. Opt for the table view if you prefer a spreadsheet style, or the gallery view if visual cues are more your speed. Implementing a database ensures you can tag, filter, and categorize your snippets according to different programming languages, projects, or any other criterion important to you. With the page and database ready, let's focus on inputting your code. Within this new toolbox, type the / then code, and hit enter. Doing so adds a code block to your page. These blocks are essential because they maintain your code's formatting and structure, making it easier to read and execute. Once the code block is in place, paste your desired snippet into it. This can be code you've written or frequently used functions and algorithms that you want to keep readily available. Notion is smart. It will automatically detect the programming language and apply syntax highlighting. Syntax highlighting is beneficial as it visually distinguishes code parts, enhancing readability and comprehension. Should Notion not detect the correct language, or if you simply want to change it, don't worry. You can manually adjust this by clicking on the language name at the top left of the code block. This is crucial if you work with multiple languages, as it keeps your code accessible and formatted according to your specific needs. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a code toolkit in Notion that will help streamline your coding workflow, keeping everything organized and right at your fingertips. Enjoy exploring and expanding your newly created code repository.